Hello friends, my name is Divyani Rathod and I will share my knowledge about the Arduino. So let's talk about the basic knowledge of Arduino. Okay, so first I will introduce about Arduino. Okay, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read input, lights on sensor, a finger on button, or Twitter messages and turn it into a output. Activating a motor, turning on LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language based on wiring, okay, and Arduino software IDE based on processing. Over the year, Arduino has been brain of thousands of projects from everyday objects to complex scientific instruments. A worldwide community of makers, students, and lots of persons, artists, programmers, professionals has gathered around this open source platform. Their contributions have added up to an incredible amount of accessible knowledge that can be of great help to novice and expert alike. Arduino was born at the Uvera In- Interaction Design Institute as an easy tool for a fast prototyping. At that time, they used RS-232, aimed at the students without a background in electronics and programming. As soon as it reached a wider community, the Arduino board started changing to adapt to new needs and challenge, differentiating its offer from simple 8-bit boards to product for IoT applications, wearable, then 3D printing, and embedded environments. All Arduino boards are completely open source, empowering users to build them independently and eventually adapt them to their particular needs. The software too is open source and it is growing through the contribution of users worldwide. Let's talk about the types of Arduino. There are many kinds of Arduino boards. Okay, so here is I give some few examples. Arduino Uno, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino 101, Arduino Explora, Arduino Micro, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mini, Arduino Ion, Arduino Zero, Arduino MO Pro, Arduino Mega 2560, Arduino Duo, Arduino MKR0. So these kind of Arduinos are used in projects as per our requirements. So let's talk about the basic pins of Arduino. Uh, here I am mentioning Arduino Uno. So what kind of pins are present in Arduino Uno? Let's talk. Here is a one. Here is LED is present. Then some input output, digital inputs outputs with PWM outputs. Okay, some power indicator, reset buttons, six analog inputs, DC voltage supply, AC to DC adapter, AC DC adapter jack, voltage regulator, 16 megahertz clock, USB connections, USB connections for to upload the program in Arduino. Okay, after that, just let's we take one examples. Okay, so not examples. Let's we talk about the Arduino Uno, which is the type of Arduino board. Okay, so here is the diagram of. Here I mentioned the diagram of Arduino Uno. Okay, so the Uno is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P. It has 14 digital inputs and output pins. Okay, in which 6 can be used PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, a 16 megahertz quartz crystal. Okay, USB connection, power jack, an ICSP header, and a reset button. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it into a computer with USB cable, or power it with AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. Let's we again see this. Let's we again see this Arduino Uno. Okay, so this is so this is some digital inputs and output pins, whereas this is ground and this is analog reference pin. From 0 to 13 pins are digital inputs outputs, in which in which 0 and 1 are used for transmit and receiving purpose. Okay, and pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 are used for PWM purpose. After that, see this A0 to A5 is analog pins, reset pin, power voltage, 3.3 volt power pin, then 5 volt power pin and two grounds. Here is the reset button. Okay, USB plug, as I said, before I told about that, USB plug are used for transmit uploading our program into a computer, into a board via computer. Okay, this is external power supply. We can give external power supply using this adapter. Okay, so I mentioned some technical specification microcontroller about the UNO. So it is actually Atmega 328P, which is the name of that IC. Operating voltage is 5 volt. Input voltage is it can be we can use from 7 to 12 volt. Input voltage limit is 6 to 20 volt. Maximum is 20 volt. Digital input pins, as per I said, that 14 pins, of which 6 provide PWM output. Then PWM digital input outputs, if we saw it separately, then 6 analog inputs is 6. DC current per input output pin is 20 milliampere. DC current for 3.3 volt pins is 50 milliampere. Flash memory is 32 kb, of which 0.5 kb used by bootloader. RAM, SRAM is 2 kb. Then EEPROM 1 kb. Clock speed is 16 megahertz. LED LED built-in is 13. Built-in means inbuilt in board is 13. Then length 68.6 mm, width is 53.4 mm, weight 25 gram.